Ready? I'll throw it. Go. Throw it. Ready? Go. Arthur's got a ball that sounds like a bird. I'm going around here. Where'd he go? Arthur, who's got the ball? No, you got the ball. Oh, Wade's got the ball. Now they're both gonna play. Okay, just watch and see. Ooh. Ooh. Stand off. Arthur, where's the ball? Wade, where's the ball? You gotta get the ball, Arthur. Go get the ball. You're gonna let your son have it? Have to be patient. Whoa, we're gonna get that ball a little bit harder, faster, stronger. Arthur, you've been patient for that ball. And Wade was just letting it sit there and teasing you. The game is over. You got your ball. This is Arthur, King Arthur, and his round table, as you see, as many that are here. And he's a daddy, a great daddy. And he's 4 years old. He is one of the top king dogs here. There's three. King Arthur, King Old Joy, and King Cruiser. Signing off.